Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Excuse me. Today I got a 2014 Ducati Monster 696 that I want to show you. This bike comes with a 696cc air-cooled L-twin, puts out about 80 horsepower, got a 6-speed transmission, inverted forks, Brembo brakes, got an excellent tire here on the front. This bike's in excellent condition. It's a flat black paint, monoshock design, chain drive bike, rear disc brake, just in beautiful shape. I noticed it had a couple of little spots on it. If I can find them. Yeah, there's a tiny little spot right there on top of this heat shield, and then another one right here. So I don't know what would have done that unless it's in the same place on both sides, unless maybe they had some kind of a bag put on it maybe. But I didn't find anything else that I needed to point out to you. It's just in beautiful condition. We ran it through the shop and checked it out to make sure it's ready to ride. It's a 2-into-1-into-2 exhaust on this bike, so it's got a real nice sound to it. Tire on the rear. Check the miles and fire it up for you. A nice digital display up here. Lots of indicator lights. Let's see, it's got 1,850 miles on it. Bike's got anti-lock brakes. No smoke or engine noise or any of that. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties too. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.